Hey guys, Shazada here. So today it's a quick video in regards to how to use the ASUS Cloud Recovery. So using this one, you don't need like any Windows setup file, or you don't need to make bootable drives. You can use the ASUS ROG Ally itself. We just go to BIOS, and there ASUS has its own like recovery option. For that to use, you do need to make sure you have internet. You can connect via the Wi-Fi, or you can connect through the like your dock and then the Ethernet. Okay, let me show you how we're gonna do that. So first of all, I'm gonna turn off the device. Okay, the device is off now, so we're gonna start tapping a sec. Yeah. So start tapping volume down button. Okay, so that should like take you into the BIOS. From here, press the Y button. That should take you to the advanced menu. Do make sure though, if you want to use it, secure boot needs to be enabled, and the fastboot needs to be enabled as well. So here at the top, you'll see like option called ASUS Cloud Recovery, the first one here, this one. Yeah, you're gonna select that. Then it takes the next place. Then it will ask you to enter the Wi-Fi details and connect to the network. So let's try that. So we're gonna press OK. Let me just connect with my Wi-Fi. Give me 1 second, please. Okay, it's connected. We're gonna press OK. So we're gonna press next. So this can take a bit more time comparing to just installing the Windows itself. The reason is, think of it this way, because they have sort of like a custom profile set up for this. So it needs to sort of use a user migration tool they have in the backend to set up this profile for you to have the, it's my ASUS something now, or Easy ASUS, that application install, Chrome, then the Armory install as well. So to set up some settings at the backend. So don't worry about it, just plug it in, leave as is. It usually can take between 1 hour to 2 hours, depending on, sometimes when these devices were new, because a lot of users were trying to use the ASUS recovery or cloud recovery, and that was taking a lot of time. That sometimes it took like more than 2 hours, 3 hours. But now it usually takes 1 to 2 hours to fully set up the device, and that's it. I'm just gonna plug it in now, and I'm gonna leave as is. So that is it. Now just leave your device. You can continue doing whatever you want to do, and that should be it. If you have any, rest of the setup is pretty much automated. So I've already created another video what you should be doing when you set up a new device, and that's it. If you have any questions, do let me know. Take care, guys. Have a good day. Bye.